How to AI autofill image in CapCut. So if you want to choose AI or if you want to use the AI autofill image in CapCut, then first you need to open up your CapCut application. So make sure to install and update the application. And once you've done that, you can open up your CapCut application. Once you've opened, you can go for the new project, which will be on the upper side. Tap on the new project, and from here you can simply choose a photo or an image to do the autofill. So for example, I've chosen this image, right? Once you've chosen the image, tap on add, which will be on the bottom right. And once you've selected the image, you can choose multiple images. So for example, I've just chosen one. So once you've chosen your image, now you can simply move the cursor to the middle of your image, and then you need to go for the bottom, which has the options, right? You can simply go for the effects option, tap on effects, and then go for photo effects, which is on the bottom right. Tap on that, and from here you will have your trending effects, right? So under your trending, or if you don't have under your trending, you can go for AI painting, and under AI painting here you will have autofill 1 and autofill 2. So if you want to autofill, then you can simply choose the first one, wait for some time so that the effect will be applied, and once the effect is applied, here you will have your image. So that's how you autofill, or you can also choose the second option, which is autofill 2. That's how you AI autofill image in CapCut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.